Live from the world's capital markets, here are the financial headlines, brought to you by Legion Academy.
Hello and welcome to Friday's Daily Financial Reports.
The dollar edged down against most major currencies as the positive impact of hawkish Federal Reserve comments faded and investors waited for more signs on the data front to confirm that more large rate hikes to curb inflation were coming. More than 700 Amazon warehouse workers in England staged a protest in a dispute over pay in the latest sign of workplace friction stoked by Britain's cost of living crisis and a growing discontent among employees over wage and working conditions. Saudi Arabia's budget surplus jumped to $21 billion in the second quarter as it raked in profits from expensive crude prices. The surplus was 35% higher compared to the first quarter, Saudi Arabia's finance ministry said. The Aussie-dollar pair rose 0.5% in the last session. The MACD is giving a positive signal. Shares of Alibaba plummeted 3.1% in the last session. The stochastic indicator is giving a negative signal. The dollar fell 0.6% against the yen in the last trading session. The CCI is giving a positive signal. The pound-dollar pair made a minor upwards correction in the last session, rising 0.2%. The ROC is giving a negative signal. The UK's CFTC GBP-NC net positions will be released at 19:30 GMT. The US average hourly earnings at 12:30 GMT. Germany's industrial production at 0600 hours GMT. The US non-farm payrolls will be released at 12:30 GMT. Japan's leading economic index at 0500 hours GMT. Japan's coincident index at 0500 hours GMT.
We hope that you've enjoyed Friday's Market Outlook. On behalf of all of us here, we wish you a productive trading day.